Thank you very much for the invitation to come here and take part in your meeting Moroccan women here and abroad. Here, I guess, is Europe. It's a great pleasure for me to be present in this way. Of course, I would have preferred to be there myself at your meeting, listening to you, interacting with you. But unfortunately, time did not permit that. So we take the second best. I think a meeting like yours, a network like the one that you have established, is of enormous importance, very great importance for all of us. At the EU Fundamental Rights Agency, we can document the discrimination that takes place. We also realize that you, both as Moroccan Muslims, as women, may actually be faced with double discrimination. Take the situation in a hospital where you are faced with problems, maybe both as a woman, but also as a Muslim. And these issues are things that we deal with at the agency, and we can document them. But the solutions, that's where we need you. You need to help the European Union institutions, the Fundamental Rights Agency, member states and others to really find sustainable long-term solutions to some of the challenges that you face, because what you face is also what we face in Europe in general. We are all part of this Europe, we are all European citizens. So I look very much forward to hear about the outcome of your meeting, your deliberations, and actually take inspiration from your specific suggestions as to what an institution like the EU Fundamental Rights Agency, and for that sake other institutions, can do in order to create an EU where there's room for everybody. Because that's what we need. We need the active participation of everybody, and we need good ideas. So I wish you very interesting days in Brussels, discussing the challenges, but hopefully putting the focus on finding the solutions. And of course, I also wish you a very happy New Year.